It's Walton Dome from World Digital. I bring to you a premium digital skill, which is on how to secure your WhatsApp from unauthorized persons or users. Okay, we've noticed that many people always have access to our phone and straight away they go to our WhatsApps to read our WhatsApp messages. So today I'll be drilling you on how to secure your WhatsApp. I'm sure you are excited. Okay, so if it's your first time watching my YouTube channel, I'll ask you to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell in order to receive our update. Are you ready? So let's ride on. So I will access one of my WhatsApps. Okay, I will click on my business WhatsApp. Okay, when it opens on this extreme right, you click on the three dots, you choose settings. Okay, and now at this level, we are now at this level, you click on account. This is it. This time around we will not go to privacy. There are many lessons that I have taught already, and they are already uploaded in my YouTube channel. Just check in the descriptive part of this tutorial, you'll see those links, so you watch them. They are equally very important. There are many hacks and tricks on WhatsApp that you need to know, okay, especially if you're a digital someone. So you need to know all these skills. So at the level of the descriptive part of this tutorial, I will position the links there. So you go there, you watch the tutorial. Don't equally forget to keep a like, comment. Okay, thank you. God bless you. So let's ride on. So today I'll be teaching you how to secure your WhatsApp from unauthorized users. So we click on two steps here, two steps verification. So if you observe, they say the two steps verification is enabled already. So it has been enabled already on my phone. Okay, so it means if somebody has my phone now, it will be difficult for the person to have access to my WhatsApp without having my PIN or code. So what I will do, I will first of all have to disable it. I will click on disable here. Disable. Okay, it has been disabled. Okay, it has been disabled. So I go back again to two steps verification, and now they're asking me now to enable. Okay, so it means if you are not yet enabled, so you have this window permitting you to enable this two steps verification. It's very important, so I exhort you all to enable this option in your WhatsApp in order to secure your WhatsApp from unauthorized users. So if you love my tutorial, I would like you already to click on the like button and verify if you have not yet subscribed. You do subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'm waiting. Thank you for subscribing and turning on the notification button in order to receive all our updates. So you click on enable. At this level now, you will be asked to enter a 6-digit PIN. Okay, so you key in your 6-digit PIN that you know that you always remember. Okay, so I'll key mine. When you key yours, it will give you a next window where you have to confirm the PIN. Okay, so confirm your PIN. When you key yours, you ask you to confirm the PIN. So I'll request you to confirm your PIN. As you confirm your PIN, you have this next let me say next window that requests you to key in your email address. Why are they asking to key in your email address? In case you forget your PIN. Okay, so the PIN will be sent into your Google or your email address in order to reset back, okay, that option. So, but if you don't want to key in your email address, you click on skip above here. Okay, so I will not like to key in my email address, so I will just click on skip because I know my PIN very well. Okay, but if you know that you have a weak brain that usually forgets, I'll advise you to key in your email address here. Okay, so this is mine, but I don't need key in mine because I don't need it. Okay, so I will just delete this. I will take on skip. I click on skip. Okay, now a message appears. If you don't add an email address and you forget your PIN, you won't be able to register to re-register your phone number with WhatsApp. I hope you've gotten the message. So it's good for you to enter your Google account or email address. Okay, but I won't, because I will remember my PIN. Okay, I click on OK. So now you discover that the two-step verification is enabled now. So what is left for you to do is just to click on done. I click on done. You see, so you are done. Congratulations, you have already secured your WhatsApp phone. So let's try to access now our WhatsApp and see how it reacts. Okay, so I just click back here, go down here. So I'll click on my WhatsApp. Click on my WhatsApp. Let me try. Okay, you see. So when you launch the WhatsApp, hopefully you'll be asking you to key in your PIN, the six characters that you key in when you are enabling this two-step verification. So it is very important for you to enable your two-step verification in order to secure your WhatsApp from unauthorized users. So I hope you enjoyed these tutorials. So click on the like button and verify. If you have not yet subscribed, you subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell in order to receive all our updates. As I earlier said, links of related lectures, lessons will be put at the level of the descriptive part. See you in our next tutorial.